Some dust on the lens? Whew. It's a cold, bitter morning. I could do this fall crisp air any day. What I don't want is snow, and that's coming right around the corner. It's gonna get hard to walk out to the shop when it starts snowing. Let's head inside, I'll show you what I'm doing. So even though my fingers are barely working, I managed to get the glue down on some verticals. I'm gonna wait for them to get tacky and then I'll get them set. I've got lots of sewing to do today. Today's gonna be a little bit different though because we have something special going on. We're heading into the doctor today because we get to find out the gender of our baby. I can't wait. I mean, I don't need the doctor to tell me, I already know it's a girl. Those doctor visits usually take quite a while, so I'm not sure how much I'll be able to get done today in here, but I'm out here early. I'm gonna see what I can get done before we head in. So let's get to it.
Today is the day we get to find out the baby's gender of baby number 3. What do you think it is?
A boy.
A boy now? What do you want to name it?
Bumbo.
Bumbo. Wesley, do you think it's a boy or a girl? We have a vlog right here and we said, what do you think it is? And we said it's gonna be a girl, and that was Indy. We knew you were a girl.
Just like I know, this one's a girl.
We'll see, you're right.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think it's a boy.
You do? There's the baby.
You said girl?
I said girl.
That's right.
Woo! You're getting a little sister. Isn't that exciting?
What are we having? Can you say a girl? A girl. Babe, get out
I'm proud of you.
It's funny because your dad was like, we have a way. We do girl, boy, girl. We did the same thing.
Yeah, we did it. Wesley, you can't beat your little sister up. Okay?
Hi. We have a new baby. A new baby girl.
No way.
So like me.
Like me.
To read some comments with you, but my SD card's about to run out of space like any second and I don't have to go get a new one. And anyway, so we're gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I love you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.